street, highway or in off-roading, you got to be very careful, because one wrong move and everything goes for a toss. After all, it's all about motorcycling. I Saikat therefore welcome you to my channel, and you are watching Alive with Motorcycling. This is a Rynox Motorcycle Advento Riding Pant. This one is not the best in the market, but obviously it will provide you the basic safeties you will be looking for. So moving on to the unboxing and the first look. So this is the product. Let's cut it through. This is the secondary packaging. Rynox Advento Riding Pants medium. And they have charged around 8,500 rupees. This kind of bags, these are really good. I mean, if you want to keep it aside when you are not riding, then this will save it from, like, protect it from dust and all. So I'll just keep it aside. And this is the liner, I suppose, the rain liners, because this pant has got two liners. One is thermal liner, the other one is rain liner. And thermal liner is a detachable liner, and rain liner is a pant which you'll have to wear it over the pant. So I'll see it afterwards. You have seen how this pant looks. Now I'll go through the features of this pants one by one. First of all, I want to talk about this velcro attachments, like this one in this thigh. You can open it at the time of riding, and you can put it this way for the ventilation, and same goes for the other side. These guards over here, these knee guards, these are totally adjustable, and to adjust it, you have to open this side of the pant. You can see over here, these are the knee guards, which Rynox claims to be a knox flexi-foam armors, and it also has this velcros, so I'll attach it accordingly. Now another point I would like to add is, if you want to decrease the width of this pant, that is where your knees and your shin is, so these are the adjustment clips. You'll just have to open it. This is the first one, this is the second one. You have to adjust it accordingly. And this is a chain from where you also can increase the length of this part. It also has got two pockets. And you can keep your phone or your wallet or some important document of your bike or anything. You just keep it over, you can just keep it over here. Coming to the waist, it also has got adjustable velcros, so that you can increase or decrease the length of your waist. And this part over here, if you see this is kind of protection as well as support to your back when you will be riding, when you will be saddled for longer hours. This is the main zipper. There is another level of velcros over here. All the velcros and all the chains and the product itself feels to be very premium, and everything of it is of a good quality material, and the pant itself of a polyester material. But if I come in the back side of the pant, this is where it is. This is a super grip fabric at seat to ensure better grip and abrasion, and it has also got an inline liner. This is a warm insulation inline liner. You can detach it by this chain they have provided with. So you can just pull it apart. You can just pull the whole thing apart when you will not be needing it, that is at the time of summers, but during winter this is very helpful, and it gives you a cozy warmth feeling at the time of riding in some intense colder region, that might be in Ladakh or in northeastern states of India, or in any other places in India which is supposed to be very cold. Even the thigh guards which this pant provides can be opened up from here, and this is the thigh guard. This is also of a very good material, I believe. So it is supposed to take the impact when you might be meeting an accident or something. Well, they have also provided with a chain mechanism, like if you are having a Rynox jacket, so see this part, you can attach this thing with your jacket, provided the jacket has the same length and breadth of this chain, and so that it can be fixed with the jacket. They have another set of reflection straps on the front side of the pant also. One is over here and the other one is over there, and the same goes to over here and over there. Now talking about rain liners, Rynox has provided an external pant which looks like this. This is just an external pant. You can wear it over the Rynox riding pant, as it also has one set of reflective straps on both sides of the pant. Thank you for watching it, guys. Actually, I have ordered for a medium size pant, but to my misfortune it did not fit me. I have to order for a larger one, so that is why I cannot put this pant on and show you guys how it looks. But I hope you got an idea the way I tried to show you the pant and its premium features. This pant looks very premium, and the overall pant is very sturdy and very strong. The pant itself weighs around 3 to 4 kgs, I'm very sure about that. If you like this video for any reason, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.